I'm Sarah Johnson. I'm a partner at a wealth management firm in Monterey.
Awesome. You know what? It was so great to meet you. Today we're just talking about like Brenda and why you would be, kind of telling someone or recommending someone else to attend this event.
Yeah. I would really recommend this event to any businesswoman. I think, especially as women, our lives can be so full that we tend to not take that time to really focus on our why and our intentions, which then leaves us sometimes feeling like we're not necessarily reaching the place that we would like to, because we're not really setting those goals appropriately and giving it the time and focus. So to take a morning out, it can be easy to feel like, oh, I don't have time for that, but in a way, we don't have the time not to, right? Because then we're wasting the rest of the time.
What would you say is the biggest takeaway that you had?
The biggest takeaway, so honestly, one of the best parts of today was just connecting with other women who are on that same path of really seeking out that growth. But I think the biggest piece for me was just understanding that my desire to be more authentic in my work is helpful, right? It can be easy to think that is being selfish or not necessarily maybe something that should be the top priority, but actually understanding that if I do that, which is what I'm desiring, it actually can help improve my experience in the business world and personal world. So kind of reshifting the focus on that has been really helpful.
Awesome. I love it. Thank you.
Thank you.